I'll have you state your name.
All right, my name is Sam.
Good. Do you want to state your whole name?
Yeah, full name Sammer Jabber.
Nice, I love it.
Yeah.
And then name your business with the field that you're in.
All right, so I'm in the insurance field. I do life insurance and health insurance.
Awesome. What did you get from today's workshop?
All right, so it's really just learning, more about not only AI, but what AI can do for your ads, right? Because especially in the insurance business, you're not dealing with one state, you're dealing with 50 states, and you can be providing that service to everybody in the country. So you're not going to reach to somebody in California, with any other way other than being online and having ads that are running through Google, Instagram, TikTok, Facebook. And if you don't have any experience in marketing, you're going to have to pay somebody to do it for you. So the thing about AI is that it completely cuts out the middleman. If you really learn that skill and at least how to communicate what you need out of AI, that's going to completely cut out whatever marketing service you're paying for, and you're going to learn how to do that yourself. In a matter of an hour or two, you're going to be able to build your whole campaign, and that's exactly what is being offered here educationally. I didn't even pay for this. Like, I paid for the previous event, and this came free. So I'm like, hey, this is exactly what we need to be learning on. This is exactly what I need to expand on.
Good.
And you guys have been providing that, absolutely.
Awesome. And would you say that you're excited? Was there something that you learned tonight that you're excited to learn or utilize?
Absolutely, yeah. So at first it was ChatGPT, and I didn't even know Bard existed, and I didn't even know how Bard had a much sharper edge, especially when it came to the data that it has access to, and especially when it comes to actually optimizing your ads and the keywords that you use. So that's something that they touched on for the most part in this talk over here, and definitely, I didn't even know Bard existed. Now I know, and now I know exactly how to utilize it. So
good.
Yeah.
And would you recommend these workshops to other people in your field?
No doubt. Wherever you are in the country, you need to be buying this. For sure. Whatever it costs, the cost of it is always going to be cheaper than or less than what you're going to be making out of it. It's going to be worth the investment. That's what I'm trying to say.
Definitely.
Yeah.
Awesome. Well, thank you very much.
Absolutely.